There are places on Earth that feel like gateways to paradise, and one such breathtaking destination is Lover's Beach, known locally as Playa del Amor. Nestled in Cabo San Lucas, Mexico, this hidden gem lies on the Sea of Cortez side of Land's End, where the desert meets. One side of the beach faces calm, crystal clear waters, a serene embrace of the Sea of Cortez. The other side opens up to the wild, powerful Pacific Ocean. A thrilling contrast, like passion and peace dancing together. But why is it called Lover's Beach? Because this place is more than just sand and sea. It's a sanctuary for love, a secret haven where couples can escape the world and get lost in the embrace of nature and each other. Accessible only by boat, Lover's Beach remains beautifully untouched, secluded from the crowds, wrapped in mystery. Sometimes you're the only soul here, just you, your love, and the infinite rhythm of the ocean. Lover's Beach is not just a destination, it's a feeling, a silent love story written in every grain of sand and carried by every gentle wave. Are you ready to lose yourself in the hidden paradise of love?